Welcome everyone. Hi, I'm Mrs. Frost, and I wanted to say hello first and share what I'm gonna cover in this video today. In this video today, I'm going to cover the things written up on the screen, which are we're going to review how to access and open your LMS English course. We're going to take a short tour of the course itself, and I'm going to show you a quick way to see the first 2 weeks of class at a glance. If you have any questions at all, please write me, email me, or ask them in class. Alright, so step one is opening your class. Let me move this over to the side a little bit. And in step one, there's two ways that you can get into your course. The first way is that you can, when logged into the online school, go to the tab across the top that says Courses, click on the arrow, which is a drop-down menu, and you'll have the selection, you'll have a choice called Language Arts B. And you can click on that and it'll open your course. The second way is through you're also in the online school when logged in, you'd go to this Plan tab here, and through the daily or weekly plan you can you'll see the work listed for a given day. One of those work items will be your language arts course, and it'll have a hyperlinked button called Go to Course. Once you've opened it in one of those two ways, you'll come to this page that looks like this. This is where you'll access all of our course materials. So let me get this camera out of here. Alright, I'm back. So this is what our course looks like. There's many different tools and in this course, just like the online school. This one's called the LMS, Learning Management System. The other one's the OLS, Online School. So your English course materials, tests, quizzes, book, and everything are in the LMS. So when you one thing that I always will include is some class news. I'll update this at least weekly, and right now it just contains a welcome letter from me to you. Another feature that you'll need to access every day and weekly is your class plan. When you open up your class plan, you'll see a calendar. On the calendar, you can either go for a month view, a week view, or a day view. I prefer the month view. You can also move the calendar view around by clicking on this calendar on the right hand side of the screen, and it'll help you get to navigate to that day. So then once you're on the calendar, it shows you these orange items, which are your assignments. So you click on those and it opens it up and gives you a description of what it is. So yesterday's assignment was just to log in and check out the LMS. Next, you have today's assignments, which are to check out the syllabus, check out the academic integrity policy, and check out the online learning handbook. Those are 3 tools that you're given in this course that can also be found here. If you're in Class Home, you can go to Course Materials. They're hyperlinked in the calendar, which means you can click on them and open them, or you can look at the academic integrity policy here, the online learning handbook, or the course syllabus. Alright, so back to the plan. The plan is going to be your go-to resource to know what you need to get done in a given day or week. I'm going to post 2 weeks at a time in the class plan. Occasionally I might do 3, but for the most part it'll be 2 weeks worth of work. So today's assignment, or tomorrow's assignment, Thursday, is to start reading your first lesson, which is a unit called The Heart's Deepest Core, and it gives you a description here. Complete all parts of the online lesson. This includes reading and going through slides 1 through 17 in your course module, filling out the graphic organizer for the story, and going through all on-screen interactives and reading the story in your anthology. So I linked it, it's linked here, so that you can open the material here, like right like that. And lo and behold, the lesson opens. The other way that you can access that is you look at the 1.10, which is, I'm always going to put the assignment number. You can also access the course lesson / module through looking at the unit. This unit is Heart's Deep Core, and you would look at 1.01 and open it this way. Either way, it gets you to the same lesson. So today what we covered really quickly was how to access and open your course. We took a short tour of how to access the materials in your course, and we looked briefly at the first 2 weeks at a glance. One other thing I want to point out is that the only two materials you were sent for this course were 2 novels. The rest, everything, including all the stories, are all online. Your grammar, usage, and mechanics are embedded into the lessons as well alongside the literature stories, and so are the vocabulary strategies that we're going to be sharing in class. So it's important because vocabulary and grammar will be included on the quizzes that are in the course, that you don't skip any of this, the lesson materials and read through everything, as well as go through all the interactives in the lesson. All right, well, hey, thanks. It was nice to meet you and see you today. I'll see you in class in a little while, and if you have any questions, please let me know.